Everybody, this is Navjot Singh Malli. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Highlander Affiliate. Let me tell you about myself first. I am Navjot Singh from Australia. I do affiliate marketing and we are earning like 5 to 10k every month. Okay, so if you want more information about affiliate marketing, there will be a link in my description, and there will be so many other links. You can always go there and check completely. You can be comfortable over there. Okay, so make sure you like this video if you like what I explained in this video and what I'm going to explain now. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your personal or spare Instagram accounts, so in very few easy steps. So what you have to do, you just come on your profile and click on settings. All right, so then you will have this page. You come on help, then you go to help center. Okay, then you come here, manage your account, and then you go here, delete your account. Then you have to come here, how do I delete my Instagram account? So you will have something like this. So you have to go delete your page, like delete your account page. So you just simply click here and you choose created a second account. Make sure you do that, and you just fill your password and click on delete. There you go, your account is on pending now, and it will be deleted by 15th of April. That's it. Thank you so much staying with me, and make sure you subscribe my channel, like this video, hit the bell button, check my all the links, and if you need anything just let me know. Thank you.